prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the skill of writing clear, specific instructions so an AI gives you the response you actually want. AI models don't think. They respond based on patterns in language. That means the quality of the output depends on how clearly you define the task, the audience, and the format. For example, instead of asking, "Explain ecosystems," you could say, "Explain ecosystems in 3 sentences for a 5th grade student." That small change completely improves the result. In education, this helps students learn how to communicate clearly and think critically about what they're asking. With Ozobot's LLM blocks, students can write, test, and refine prompts directly inside their code, seeing how different inputs lead to different outputs. As they revise their prompts, they're practicing iteration, problem solving, and precision, skills that apply far beyond AI. Prompt engineering shows students that AI isn't magic. It responds to the structure of what you give it. Explore how AI and coding work together in Ozobot Classroom.